Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and today we are solving another problem from Exponents and Powers class 8. And just look at the problem. It has a lot of brackets and there are some numbers written. So let's try to decode this. So we can see 4/5, which is a fraction, and this has been raised to the power 2, -2. And this whole thing has been raised to the power -1, and the entire thing has been raised to the power 3. So how to simplify it? So we will go inside, like to this part, the inner part. We'll solve first the inner part, the innermost bracket. So let's look at the innermost bracket. What does it have? Now, I am just writing down the innermost part of the problem, and it is this. What is the meaning of this? When we raise numbers to negative powers, what does it mean? So let's recollect. 2 raised to power -1 means 1/2. 23 raised to power -2 means 1/23 raised to power 2. This whole thing is raised to power 2. So that means when we raise numbers to negative powers, we take their reciprocals, and when we take their reciprocals, the power becomes positive. So here, let's take some rational numbers also, some fractions also, which are raised to negative powers. For example, 3/2 raised to power -1 is actually equal to 2/3. Then 1/3 raised to power -3 is actually equal to 3/1 raised to power 3, which is same as 3 raised to power 3. So here, what are we going to get? We can make the power positive, so we will get 5/4 raised to power 2. So now, we have solved this much part of the problem. Now, see, this entire thing has been raised to power another negative power, that is -1. So let's see that. Now I'm picking this whole thing up, which we have solved. This is positive. Now, because we have taken the reciprocal, and this is, we have two curly brackets, and this is raised to power -1. What's it? We can solve the innermost, like we can say 25/16. Let's do that. We will say 25/16, and this has been raised to power -1. So we will take the reciprocal. We get 16/25. Raised to power 1, we may not write it. Now, we have solved this much part of the problem. Now, the whole thing is raised to 3. Now, this whole thing we have simplified to 16/25. So that means we are going to raise 16/25 to 3. So now, quickly do the multiplication in your head. What is 16 raised to power 3? So we get the answer 4096 divided by 15,625. So this is the answer. Because it is a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we will leave it as it is. So I hope it is clear how to solve this problem in a stepwise manner. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.